Hello, you are welcome to solve this math problem. X square minus y equal 133 and y square minus x equal 133, where x is different to y. Solution: x square minus y equal to 133, y square minus x equal to 133. Assuming that this is question 1 and this is question 2, let us take equation 1 plus equation 2. So we have x square minus y, which is equal to 133, and y square minus x equal to 133. Adding those, we have x square minus y plus y square minus x, which is equal to this one plus this equal to 6. Then x square plus y square minus x minus y is equal to 6. So we have x square plus y square minus, put into parentheses, this x plus y, which is equal to 6. We take this as equation number 3. So then let's take again equation 1 minus equation 2. X square minus y is equal to 133, y square minus x equal to 133 minus this equal to x square minus y minus y square minus x, which is equal to this one minus this one equal to 0. So we have x square minus y minus, multiply into parentheses, minus y square plus x is equal to 0. Putting x square and y square together, it is x square minus y square plus x minus y is equal to 0. This is equal to x square minus y square plus x minus y is equal to 0. From this form, this is equal to, it is like a square minus b square, which is equal to a minus b times a plus b. So this is x minus y times x plus y, then plus x minus y is equal to 0. Here we have the common x minus y, x minus y. Here we have x plus y, x minus y divided by x minus y is equal to 1, like this, which is equal to 0. X minus y, x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. Here we have product of two equations. This one, x minus y is equal to 0, x is equal to y, but our condition says that x is different to y, and this one x plus y plus 1 equal to 0, x plus y equal to minus 1. This is equation number 4. Just this place. Equation number 4. So from equation 3, which is x square plus y square minus x plus y, which is equal to 266. Here we have x plus y, which is equal to -1. So x square plus y square minus 1 is equal to 266. X square plus y square plus 1 is equal to 266. So x square plus y square is equal to 266 -1. X square plus y square is equal to 65. This is equation 5. So from the fundamental algebraic formula, which says that a plus b square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ac, and a minus b square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ac. So putting this in the form of this, x plus y square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. So we have x plus y, which is equal to -1. So -1 square is equal to x square plus y square. We have 265 plus 2xy. So we have -1 squared is equal to 1. Putting this on this side, -265 is equal to xy. So 2xy is equal to -264. This one. So then take this equation, x minus y square is equal to x square plus y square minus 2xy. So x minus y square is equal to, we have this and we have this, x plus y squared is equal to 265 minus 2xy is equal to this one, -264. So x minus y square is equal to 265 then plus 264. X minus y square is equal to, this is equal to 9 12 plus this 12 1 4 5. Then x minus y is equal to plus or minus the square root of 5 to 9. Square root of 5 to 9, this x plus minus y is equal to plus or minus square root of 5 to 9. This is equal to 23. So here we have two solution, where solution 1 is x minus y, which is equal to plus 23, and x minus y, which is equal to negative 23. Having this x minus 1, which is equal to 23, and x minus y, which is equal to negative 23, and we have x plus y, which is equal to negative 1, x plus y, which is equal to negative 1, and here x plus y, which is equal to negative 1. Solving this, let's add both equation. This simplify, we have 2x, which is equal to 23, negative 1 is equal to 22. So x is equal to 11. Having the value of x, you can find the value of y from this equation. Here from this second one. So y is equal to negative 1 negative x. Y is equal to negative 1 negative 11. Y is equal to negative 12. Solution here, xy is equal to 11 and negative 12. And here, let's add both. So we have 2x, this, which is equal to negative 24. X is equal to negative 12. So y is equal to, from this equation, negative 1 negative x, which is equal to negative 12. So y is equal to negative 1 plus 12, and y is equal to 11. So solution xy is equal to negative 12 and 11. These are the solutions of this equation. So checking, x square minus y, which is equal to 133, and y square minus x, which is equal to 133. Let us check from solution 1, which is equal to 11 and negative 12. Then from solution 1, 11 and negative 12. Let's check. So x square, which is 11 square negative y negative 12, is equal to 133. This is equal to 121. 11 square, it is 121, plus 12, is it equal to 133? This is equal to 133, which is 133. This is 2. And from this equation, y square, y negative 12 square negative x is equal to 11. Is it equal to 133? Negative 12 is 144 minus 11. Is it equal to 133? Negative this one is 331. Is it equal to 133? This is true. And using solution xy, which is equal to negative 12 and 11, negative 12 and 11, let's also check. From this equation 1, it is negative 12 square minus y 11. Is it equal to 133? This is the same as this question. This is true. And from this one, 11 square negative y negative 12, is it equal to 133? This also is the same as this one. We have checked, so solutions are correct. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe and playlist my video to watch new concepts of mathematics. Thank you.